So we're on week 3 for January, and our first phrase for this week is we are helping him or her.
Wa lhkan.
Did you say wa lhkan? Thank you. And then number 2 is we are helping them.
Wa lhkan wheat.
Did you say wa lhkan wheat? Thank you. And then number 3, we are helping you.
Wa lhkan.
Did you say wa lhkan? Thank you. And then how about we are helping you folks?
Wa lhkan lhkal.
Did you say wa lhkan lhkal?
No, she didn't say that.
Wa lhkan lhkal.
Wa lhkan lhkal. Thank you. And then how about they are helping him, her, them?
Wa lhkan.
Did you say wa lhkan? Thank you. And then how about they are helping me, number 6?
Wa lhkan shalitash.
Did you say wa lhkan chalitash? Thank you. And then number 7, they are helping us.
Wa lhkan tumulitash.
Did you say wa lhkan tumulitash? Thank you. And then number 8, they are helping you.
Wa lhkan chihash.
Did you say wa lhkan chihash? Thank you. And then number 9, they are helping you folks.
Wa lhkan lapaswit.
Did you say wa lhkan tamalapashweet? Thank you.
It's a mouthful.
And then just for the practice, would you be able to say number 1 3 times?
Wa lhkan. Wa lhkan. Wa lhkan. Wa lhkan wheat. Wa lhkan wheat. Wa lhkan wheat. Wa lhkan lhkan. Wa lhkan. Wa lhkan. Wa lhkan lhkal. Wa lhkan lhkal. Wa lhkan lhkal. Wa lhkanitash. Wa lhkanitash. Wa lhkanitash. Wa lhkan shalitash. Wa lhkan shalitash. Wa lhkan shalitash. Wa lhkan tumulitash. Wa lhkan tumulitash. Not litash. Litash.
Okay.
Wa lhkan tumulitash. Wa lhkan chihash. There it is.
There it is. Yeah. Oh my God. That's fine. Yeah.
Wa lhkan chihash. Wa lhkan chihash. Wa lhkan lapaswit. Wa lhkan lapaswit. Wa lhkan lapaswit.